I attended CES 2018 here in Las Vegas a couple of weeks ago, and I was able to check out what LG had to offer for 2018. I was particularly interested in what they had to offer as far as laptops go. Well, LG formally announced its next generation LG Gram ultra-thin notebooks. The new laptops will be as sleek as their predecessors, but will get a more durable chassis, Intel's latest quad-core 8th generation Core i5 and Core i7 processors, optional Thunderbolt 3 connectivity, and a higher capacity battery that will enable 19 to 22.5 hours of battery life. At least that's what they claim. The new LG Gram 2018 notebooks will continue to be offered with a 13.3-inch, 14-inch, and 15.6-inch display panels with optional touch support. And the units I checked out remained at 1920 by 1080 resolution. Now, the upcoming LG Gram PCs will come in new carbon magnesium alloy chassis that visually resembles the current generation LG Gram notebooks, but has one important difference. LG moved the webcam along with the light sensor and microphones from the bottom of the display bezel to its top, where they should be. The display hinge remains the same, just like the overall look of the chassis, and the smooth, rugged edges and no sharp corners. Meanwhile, LG used a new alloy for the chassis and also redesigned the internals of its Gram laptops to make them more rugged and more durable to survive improper handling and unfriendly environments. LG claims that the LG Gram notebooks have passed U.S. military MIL standard 810G durability tests for resistance to impact, pressure, and temperature. The LG Gram notebooks will feature either 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, but larger options remain to be seen. When it comes to storage, the new systems will be equipped with SSDs of regular capacities you'd expect from modern notebooks, starting at 256 gigabytes all the way to 512, but will also feature an additional M2 slot for an extra drive. As for connectivity, the notebooks will also feature 802.11ac Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth module, 2 USB 3.0 ports Type A, and a USB Type-C connector that can serve as either a Thunderbolt 3 port or a USB 3.0, depending on the SKU, an HDMI output, and a mini Jack 4 headphones. Another key improvement of the next generation LG Gram laptops over its predecessors will be a new battery featuring 72 watt-hour capacity that enables 19 to 22.5 hours of battery life. At least that's what they're claiming. LG plans to start selling its 2018 Gram laptops sometime next month in the US. Pricing is not yet announced at this time. I am planning to review the LG Gram line of laptops, so stay tuned for full reviews coming very soon. I have more continuing coverage from CES 2018 here in Las Vegas, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter for the latest updates. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in that comment section below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's anything out there you think I should review. I'll do my best to try to make that happen. Don't forget to check me out on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and of course our website, amdtechreviews.com. So until next time, this is Andrew from AMD Tech. See ya.